Hello, good day everyone. Let's try to solve this question. And the question is a square root of a plus b multiply square root of b is equal to 3. And the second equation is a multiply square root of b plus b multiply square root of a is equal to 2. What's the value of a and b in our question? So let's start. We call this equation number 1 and this is our second equation. So let's start. First of all, if we let square root of a is equal to x and square root of b is equal to y. So this implies that a is equal to x square and the b is equal to y square. So we substitute this value in equation 1 and after that on equation 2. So equation 1 will become a x is a is equal to x square and the square root of a is equal to x plus b is equal to y square and the square root of b is y. It's equal to 3. So x square multiply x is x cube plus y square multiply y is y cube. It's equal to 3. We call this is equation number 3. And now look at the equation number 2. A is equal to x square and the square root of b is equal to y plus b is equal to y square and the square root of a is equal to x. Right hand side is 2. We call this is equation number 4. Now in the next step, if we divide equation 3 by equation 4, then this will become a x cube plus y cube divide x square y plus x y square. The right hand side will become a 3 over 2. Now look at the denominator. We apply identity. As we know, x cube plus y cube is equal to x plus y multiply x square plus y square minus xy, and in the denominator xy involved in these two terms, so we take it a common. If we divide x square by multiply y by xy, then we get a x plus if we divide a x multiply y square by xy, then we get a y. The right hand side is 3 over 2. So x plus y and x plus y will cancel. We just get a this remaining value x square plus y square minus xy over xy is equal to 3 over 2. Now in the next step we cross multiply this value. So we get a multiply 2 by x square 2x square by multiply 2 by y square, then get a 2 multiply y square multiply this by minus xy, we get a minus 2 times of xy. The right hand side is 3xy. And in the next step, if we subtract a 3xy on both sides, then we get a 2x square minus 2xy minus 3xy plus 2y square. The right hand side will become a 0. And if we solve this, then we get a 2x square minus 2 times of xy minus 3 times of xy is equal to minus 5 times of xy plus this is a 2 times of y square is equal to 0. Now this is our quadratic equation and we factorize it. Our middle value is minus 5 and if we multiply our first and last digit, then we get a 4 x square y square and our middle value is minus 5xy. So we break our middle value which is minus xy into two values, so that if we multiply this two number we get a this, and if we add then we get a minus 5xy. So we can write this equation as a 2x square 2x square minus 4 time of xy minus xy plus 2y square is equal to 0. If we add then we get a this middle value minus 5 time of xy, and if we multiply then we get a this. Now look at this first two term, 2x involved in this term, so we divide the 2x square by 2x, then we get a x. If we divide a minus 4 times of xy by 2x, then we get a 2y. Minus y involved in this term, so we take it a common. Divide this minus xy by y, we get a plus x, and divide a plus 2 times of y square by minus y, then we get a minus 2y. The right hand side is 0. We can write this as a 2x minus y multiply x minus 2y. It's equal to 0. So this implies one of them must be equal to 0. So that 2x minus y is equal to 0, or x minus 2y is equal to 0. If we add a y on both sides, then we get a 2x is equal to y. And here if we add a 2y on both sides, then we get a x is equal to 2y. Now in the next step, we substitute this and this value in equation number 3, and after that on equation number 4. So first of all, substitute this value 2x is equal to y in equation number 3, then this will become x cube plus y cube, and y it's equal to 2x, so this will come 2x raised to the power 3, it's equal to 3, and x3 plus 2 time of x raised to the power 3 is equal to 8, x cube is equal to 3, and x cube plus 8 time of x cube is equal to 9 time of x cube, it's equal to 3. Divide this equation by 9, and then we get a x cube is equal to 3 over 9, and 3 ones are 3 and 3 threes are 9. Then we get a x cube it's equal to 1 over 3, and we just find x, so we take a cube root on both sides. So take a cube root. So this cube and cube root will cancel. We just get a x it's equal to cube root of 1 over 3, or we can write this as a 1 over 3 raised to the power 1 over 3. Look at this. In this equation, 2 time of x is equal to y, so this implies 2x is equal to 1 over 3 raised to the power 1 over 3 is equal to y. So this is the value of y, but we find the value of a and b, and in the start of the question we let that square root of a is equal to x. So x in our question is 1 over 3 raised to the power 1 over 3. So this will become 1 over 3 raised to the power 1 over 3. It's a square root of a, and we want to remove a square root, so we take a square on both sides. Also take a square at here. So this square and square root will cancel. We just get a 8 is equal to, this will become a 1 over 3 raised to the power 2 over 3. So this is the value of a. Now we find the value of b, and in the start of the question we let that square root of b is equal to y, and y is equal to this value. So we replace y by 2 time of 1 over 3 raised to the power 1 over 3. So we want to remove a square root, so we take a square on both sides of this equation. Then this square and square root will cancel. We just get a b. So this will become a 4 time of 1 over 3 raised to the power 2 over 3. So this is the value of b, and this is the value of a if we use a equation 3. Now we use our equation number 4 and find the value of a and b. So the equation 4 is x square y plus x y square is equal to 2. This is our equation number 4. And we use this equation x is equal to 2y in equation number 4. Then this will become a 2y raised to the power 2y plus x is 2y multiply y square is equal to 2. So this will become a 4y square y plus this will become a 2 time of y cube it's equal to 2, and this will become a, if we multiply this by y, then we get a 4 time y cube plus 2 time y cube it's equal to 2. If we add 4y cube plus 2y cube, then we get a 6y cube it's equal to 2, and divide this equation by 6, then we get a y cube it's equal to 1 over 3. We just find the value of y, so we take a cube root on both sides. Also take a here. So this will become this cube and cube root will cancel. We just get a y is equal to, we can write this as a 1 over 3 raised to the power 1 over 3. So in the next step we find the value of x. So x is equal to 2 times of y, and y is equal to this value. So this equation will become x is equal to 2y, and y is 1 over 3 raised to the power 1 over 3. This is the value of x. So we get a y is equal to 1 over 3 raised to the power 1 over 3, and x is 2 times of 1 over 3 raised to the power 1 over 3. In the start of the question, we let a is equal to x, and x is equal to this. So this will become a square root of a is equal to 2 times of 1 over 3 raised to the power 1 over 3. We just find the a, so we take a square on both sides. So this square and square root will cancel. We just get a 8 is equal to 4 and time of 1 over 3. 4 time of 1 over 3 raised to the power 2 over 3. So this is the value of a, and square root of b is equal to y, and y is equal to this. So this will become a square root of b is equal to 1 over 3 raised to the power 1 over 3. And for this, and take a square on both sides to remove a square root. So this square and square root will cancel. We just get a b is equal to, this will become a 1 over 3 raised to the power 2 over 3. So this is the value of b, and this is the value of a by using equation 4. So this is our final answer. A1 is equal to this, and b1 is equal to this value by using equation number 4, and a2 is equal to 1 over 3 raised to the power 2 over 3, and b2 is equal to 4 times of 1 over 3 raised to the power 2 over 3 by using equation 3. So we have done. Thank you.